Hello all, welcome to QTech. Today we'll be unboxing Google's second generation Pixel Buds, the Pixel Buds 2. I'll take you through the purchase process, specs, and of course, unbox the buds and show you how to connect and charge them. Let's begin with the super simple purchase process. I got a notification a couple of days back saying the buds are now available in Google Store website for Ireland. I was super excited. I went ahead and bought it for 199 euros. Tech specs are nicely laid out in the website, but let me take you quickly through the top features. It's IPX4, so sweat and water resistant. You can use it in the gym. Bluetooth 5.0, passive noise reduction. It does not come with active noise cancellation, but this works pretty well. Uh, Voice detecting accelerometer, earbuds with 5 hours of listening time and 2.5 hours of talk time. This increases up to 24 hours of listening time and 12 hours of talk time with the charging case. The best feature for me is the wireless charging case. It also connects with USB Type-C cables and any Qi certified wireless chargers. So the website has pretty nice setup tips videos, so you can actually go through them. And once you're ready, just click buy. The checkout process is pretty simple. You can either sign in or check out or do a guest checkout, and that's it. Boom. I chose for 1 day delivery, and the next day I had my Google Pixel Buds 2 in my hands. The buds come in a small and light package. I like that. There were no color choices other than white. I would have chosen white anyways, so no complaints there. The case is super sleek and has a very unique feel to it. I like it. The case comes with a USB Type-C charging port, and there is a small button on the back for pairing the buds. I love the way it opens and closes. It has a very satisfying feel to it. And the click just feels so good. I was super impressed on how well the buds hold on inside the case when the cover is open, even when you turn the case upside down and give it a nice shake. It's a boon for a clumsy person like me. One less thing to worry about. The buds are minimalistic in design and I love it. They came fitted with medium ear tips, but in the box you also get a large and a small one to replace if you needed them to. So let's put it back in the case and see what else do we have in the box for us. The box comes with additional ear tips, like a pair of small, a pair of large, so you can actually replace if the medium one doesn't work for you. It also comes with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable, which you can use for charging the wireless charging case. It also comes with the regular standard user manual and safety tip card. It's a pretty nice user manual, easy to read and easy to follow. Just a tip which some of you might find useful: you cannot use the Pixel stand for charging the case wirelessly. Technically it's possible, but practically no. The only way I was able to make it work was holding it in my hand and pressing it horizontally against the stand. It didn't work when it left resting on the stand vertically and horizontally, and interestingly, it didn't even work when I held it vertically on the stand. For some reason, I can't believe why, or I don't know why, it just worked when I held and pressed it horizontally. Just something I found quirky. Let me know in the comments if you were able to make it work on a Pixel stand. So unless you have a flatbed key wireless charger, use the trusted USB Type-C cable and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, sharing it, and if you would love to see more such content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay notified. Thanks again and have a good one.